Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to justify text in Google Sheets. Unfortunately, in this tool you will not find the justify option here, because here you have only three options: align left, center or align right. But there is one solution that I recommend you to try in your spreadsheet. So if you want to do it, you need to go to Insert tab, you need to go to Drawing, and here you can insert a text box. We need to click on this one option. We need to draw here a text box and we need to type here a simple text. Okay, so I have typed here this text. Of course, you can change dimensions of this box. For example, I will resize it to this one position. And now if you would like to justify this text, you need to click Ctrl A here and you need to click on the icon with three dots. Then you need to click on this icon and here you can find justify option. So I click on it, then text in text box will be justified. So now we need to click Save and Close, and then justify text will be successfully inserted here, so you can change position of this text box somewhere where you want to use it. So it is how it works. If I helped you to justify text, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if you solve a problem.